the fuel that fills your truck to the coffee in your cup. Don't thank the corner store or that early morning rush. Thank the farmer. Yeah, I think back to that hayfield filled with girls and four wheels, sneaking off with her for that first time. You can thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. They get tougher as their lives keep getting harder. Oh, I think it's time we all thank a farmer. And the blacktop roads you ran, that used to be his land, to big cities and small towns that he built with his two hands. You can thank a farmer. And for this shirt on my back, and these boots on my feet, and them tank top wearing country girls and them old skin tight blue jeans, I thank a farmer. Yeah, I thank a farmer. I still believe in amber waves of grain, man on his knees praying for rain that grew this country strong and keep us moving on. It get tough